Go on, my beautiful people. You don't know it's Island Boy Africa again. Yes, today, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I posted a video on here. You see me? So, today, guys, I'm here currently at, you see me? So, today, guys, we're gonna link up with Enjay. You see me? So, I plan to go up on the Rio Grande River and do probably a little catch and cook. You see me? So, that are the pre, guys. Yeah, man. So, it's a bit of walk. So, I'm getting there right now, guys, so stay tuned. See, blessings. So guys, I approach the bridge now. Yeah. Alright, so Enjay sent me to meet him at the bridge, guys, so I hope to see him somewhere around here. Yeah. Up on the bridge now, guys. I wait for Enjay because I don't have any credit, so he said I'm supposed to wait on him at the bridge. Guys, this is so huge. If I drop down this, I'm not half Christ, I'm dead. Because it's very shallow, guys. It's very shallow. This river is huge, coming all the way from the Blue Mountain. Look at that, man. So guys, right down that hen right down there, Enjay told me it's a popular spot that everyone goes to, like party and swim at, you know, so let me zoom in a bit. Yeah, so it's very popular down that hen. This is a little shortcut, you know, side of the bridge. Enjay just called me a while ago, guys, and said that him they up the river. So I see him from afar. Let's the bridge again, guys. So don't know where to walk. Whoops. Okay. We'll go down there, so. How do I get down there though? That is the problem. I'm gonna check around this side and see. Okay, seems like everything may have got jump. I made it. Woo. Hey guys, Enjay is up that way. Yeah, I did it. Woo. Let's go, guys. It's gonna be an adventure. Yo. So when you cross this bridge, guys, it's like a little town by itself, you know. Yeah, man. Enjay say it's not really a town though, it's just houses across. But yeah. Welcome to the country life, you know, Portland. It's the most peaceful thing, the most purest, you know. Yeah, man. That's Enjay. I don't know if you can see him, but yeah. So guys, this is who we have here. Enjay vlogs. Yeah, man. So it's another collab again, guys. You see me? I show him the sea life and I show me the river life today, you know. So yeah, man. It's only right. Probably the sea. Yeah, man. Yo, this. Yeah, we have to look. It just different. Yeah. I tell you, you have to say a whole heap of landslide go on. And just what? The tree they frighten me, you know? So they're cutting trees, guys. Probably lumber tree. The water this run out here, so it's like a spring. Water is running out of the rocks right here. It's cool. Yeah, my water cool for real, you know? This nice, you come down for a kayak, you know. Imagine
right down to it.
yo, imagine a kayak down this river, guys. That would be insane. Tell you, man. Guys, this water is really strong right now. If you're not careful, swear, easily drown, man. Yo! You guys. I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro now because going across the water right now and I don't want to make any mistake with my big camera, so I have to take my little time on these rocks, you know. Yeah, man. Woo. Water is crystal clear. Woo. But the current is strong too. Oh. And I made it across. Oh. Hope you're so calm. Oh.
This is a big one.
Yeah? Oh. It's calm here, guys. It's Enjay, I gotta do some spear fishing, you know? Yeah. Bring my line with me, but yeah. I get to dig some worms, so we're gonna see what I got me still, so stay tuned, guys. Blessings. Guys, look at this. I don't remember what it's called, but it basically gives you some great shots with underwater, you know, and you can see like land, and also under the water. You can see under the water and also above at the same time. It gives some really great like scenery. Yeah, man, so this is Enjay's one, but yeah, it's sick, man. So guys, we're gonna try to find some worm. Yeah, so I can try and catch something, hopefully. Yeah, man, so that's the pre, guys. Oh, that's a little difficult, man. Because we have to go, my peeps, to go find worm, because everywhere here is mainly like rock. So you have to go like really far up to find mud. So I'm going up. These rocks are very sketchy. Search for the worm them guys. Ah. Dry. Shit. Couldn't find any worm at all, so going down back. And the plan is now Enjay is the only one with a spear gun, so we're gonna work with that and try catch something. So hope you guys enjoy this footage anyway. So let's go now. Yeah. Let's go now. Woo. Made it out. Yeah, I know guys, Enjay just dropped a while ago with the mash here too. Yeah, I know. Oh. Yeah. Ah. Yeah, I search for the fish them now guys. So this is the spear gun guys. Yeah man. So guys, we have to go in the water, I swear. I've been too hot, yo. So I go. Yeah, not feel too bad still, not too cold, so yeah man, survive. Nah. Oh, this water is nice guys. Like right here, so now I feel warm. It's nice. I love it. I love to be in nature. I love the ocean. I love the river. You see me? Enjay, feel the cold too. Yeah! That's cool guys. It's not too bad when you actually dip in the water. You know, but at first when you're going in it's gonna feel cool. Yeah. Woo! That's the right here, so guys. You know the vibes. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Give thanks for the support as always. Hey guys, let's do this. Enjay, so the fish them a play hopscotch with him. Enjay told me guys that there's two separate rivers that run right next to each other. So this is one right here and the other one is right across here. And they both meet up down here. So this is the other river, guys. No wonder why this river is so cold, because it's coming all the way from up those mountains, you know. So yeah, it's really refreshing. You just feel purified when you enter this water, I swear. So, but let's pray and I hope him shot something today, see me? Because I tell him before, so yo, I never eat tilapia before, so yeah, and I'm not really a fan of river fish that much, so I've never tried tilapia before, so I want to try that one and see, because I feel like I'm gonna love that fish just based on the look, you see me? So yeah, man. Yeah?
That first guy was unsuccessful.
Not a catch?
Not nothing.
Channel.
So, swim on the side, go up now and see if we can catch him from the side.
Alright, I could do that then.
I go place I'm used to.
Yeah, man.
I'm sure about.
Alright. So we go up the stream now, guys. So what you say? You say two separate river?
Yeah.
The one there up on the left call?
Dam them call him.
Yeah. And that one here up on the right?
Grande.
Oh, so Rio Grande and Dam. Them close. So he's going in for the second dive now, guys. Fingers crossed we catch some. Can walk here to go to Moortown. Straight to Nanny Falls, guys. And we have the power line run across. Where you do? Yeah. Oh. I learned something today, guys. So he's throwing the rocks in the water for the fishes to go up the stream. So yeah, man, because you know fish don't like sound or any disturbance at all. They're gonna be moving. So he said that they're doing like mining like way upstream, you know, for like sand and gravel. So yeah, sometimes the water get dirty because of that. Right, let me start for it, guys. Like a drizzle start, I'm a phone dead, I'm a bug. So you know, look like it really like a fall still, so I hope not. Guys, my phone dead and soak by the time I reach down there. I'm looking to find some Bussu on the rocks, but no luck as yet. Probably in a deeper part. Oh, I see one. This is what we call Bussu. Yeah, let me try zooming on it. Try focus. Yeah, guys, so this is what we call Bussu. If you're from the country, most people from the country would know about this. It's great to make soup, trust me. We love it here. Not everybody, but yeah, it's very nice, trust me. Yeah, man. So should I bring like something to put them in a still? But I'm gonna see if I can find some more, guys. Find 4 of them quick and fast. So you see, because I don't have nothing to put them in now, guys. Pack it up and go do it. That I go on now. So guys, Enjay went up the stream and had no luck. Can't find any fish them at all. So yeah, we'll go back down now. So these are the Bussu found so far, guys. Just a little handful. Most of them spread out on the rock them also. guys, so we get one. Yeah?
Oh,
See.
I didn't have video for so long.
Yeah guys, one buckle full of Bussu. Yo. Tell them man, it's gonna make some nice soup. Yeah. Never cooked them before yet guys, but I try it out for the first time, you know? But I love Bussu soup. So you guys must be wondering, why are we about to start a fire? And we did not shot any fish. Well, guess what? We have to bring something as backup. So Enjay bring some platen. You see me? So that's how we are gonna fry up. Yeah, man, guys, don't look with the fish. So that's the pre. And guys, please go over to Enjay channel and subscribe. See me? Let him know so the island boy send you. Yeah man, so please do that for me guys. Yeah man. Guys, crazy collab videos coming same way. You see me, so support the movements guys. See the planting them here guys? Yeah. Half of your farm them I come from? Oh. So see if you have scotch bright guys, can use leaves. Or even the coconut hucks. Yeah. Remember we used to use that when we were younger. Yeah man. Use it to wash your plate, all you need is a soap. So we do it in the country, you know? Planting time now guys. So you peel them, you know? Get it off smooth. As easy as that. Peeps, if you're looking for a top chef, link up Enjay. Yeah man, they're one of the player. Alright. Let me go in now guys. Yeah man, it's the right amount. I'm hungry right now and I got to feed my people. It's no joke.
Water, man.
Yeah man, the water.
Water over.
Yeah man, make you hungry. Can't wait. So I go on now guys. First planting. Trust me peeps, if you never tried this before you have to try it. Because it gives it a different flavor when you press it like that. Really nice and crunchy. This is the planting now guys. All done and ready to consume. Golden look. Look at that guys. Nice. Only thing missing are just some salt. No, no, we don't remember the salt, guys. But I saw you go. Nice, just the same. Swear. So, guys, follow Enjay go look some coconut. See me? AKA jelly. Yeah. So, we are going somewhere over there. So, journey along, guys. So this is our cow pasta. Huh? Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh, nice piece of land, flat. It's like a football field. This banana farm. Coconut, everything did a cane. See that sheen. Long time I eat that sheen as me they all up on them. Yeah, that sheen. Show you guys. It's another piece of flat land. Huge. Nice farming land here, guys. Long time I see parrot, you know. One time we used to catch them. They're pretty still, and green, and they have like a blue one. Yeah, pretty man. Bunch of parrot bird in a tree. Yeah. You guys can hear them. Yeah. What? Look at this, guys. You go right under the tree and the parrot shit, man. Oh, God. Good luck, man. Where you going? Good luck, that brother. Yo, the guava tree are big still. No, you know, I never see a guava tree so big. Well, I'm just realize. Guys, have you ever seen a guava tree this big? Like, this is huge. Look at it. The root here. Never see a guava tree this big. Alright, them a feed pan guava. Then love hockey too. Alright, I feed pan guava. Come like a beer farming, everybody around here farming then do. Yeah man, farmland enough. So the whole of this are our Rio Grande Valley. Coconut tree loaded. Yeah. Yellow jelly. Sweet too, you know man. Red ants. Red ants. Make me have to run out of tree already. Yeah. Go up in there and I caught that tree. I'll have it turned down. I'm gonna disturb them. You know I dig too deep in here. Respect man. Fresh coconut water, guys. Amazing, man, I swear. They make you quench thirst. Only for pine tree there too. Oh. So a year time you sell pine?
Don't stop here.
Yeah.
Oh, young one.
I'll find that. When they have a tree up here, they must load it. What they have on blossom. Oh, he's skiing. Oh. You have all that good thing them up here, brother. Yo. Go out to the key there with the pine, my peeps. Link up Enjay. Oh. Jaja. Sweet.
Here them a plant pine straight.
Yeah.
Now them a plant again.
You know. Hey guys, so Enjay make me know say you're him grandfather. You say grandparents own most well all of the pine tree them from the mountainside. Yeah, it's crazy. So over there now guys, name Goldenville. Goldenville. Oh, Vale. Goldenville. Yeah guys, so yeah, I'm glad I get to know them place, I swear. It's amazing, man. It's like them people that supply the whole of Portland with pine. I swear. Yeah guys, so I late in the evening, you know. I pack up, you know. So Enjay I go feed ways and me I go my ways, you me. So yeah guys, and just a reminder, please go over to his channel, subscribe, you see me? Show him some support. Yeah man, and let him know so the Island Boy sent you. Alright, so yeah guys, it was a well spent day. Enjoy myself, relax, you see me? And things. So yeah, we plan to do more adventures on top of adventures. So support the movements guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Yeah man, so until next time, blessings.